Hi, I'm Ryan. Easy cooking. So, just to let you know, I'm not a classically trained chef. I'm a regular dude with a job, and I'm goofy, and I like to screw around and say goofy stuff. So, just a warning. Today, easy Pico De Gallo, or for the Weros, Pico De Gallo. Maybe even a little bit of that cilantro in there. Something like that. Anyways, let's get to it. Get me a bowl here. Here's our ingredients. Tomatoes. Got a serrano chili. Got a jalapeno. Got a red onion. Got some garlic. Start with the Roma tomatoes. And we're just going to chop them up. And yes, I do have fancy chef knives, but when I cut veggies, I like just a plain old serrated, cheapo steak knifey type of thing. So that's what I use. Anyways, this is super easy. Maybe you should, okay. Get that out of the way for you. So you can see. And that's how I cut the tomatoes. I don't know if that's the right way or the wrong way, but that's my way. Works just fine. Quick, easy. All right, onion. And I just eyeball all of this. I couldn't tell you it's a half a cup of this, half a cup of that. I don't know. If it needs a little more red, I give it a little more red. If it needs a little more purple, we'll give it a little more purple. Just eyeball it. Okay. There's the old onions. I'm gonna put a jalapeno in there. Hopefully I don't itch my eyes later and burn the heck out of them. If you're worried about heat, the heat is mostly in the seeds and all that white membrane. So if you want to tame it down a little bit, take those out. Alrighty. Now, in theory, if you want to be real quick and easy, you can just say right now, we're done. Just like that. Got your that there pico. And that's good. But it's not as good as it can be. So we're gonna go a little more. Put some garlic in there. Because I like garlic and it's easy to deal with. It also, if you put too much in there, like I usually do, the side effects can be that it's a birth control item as well, because no one wants to get that close to you. Yeah, see, I do have real knives. I just don't use them that often. If you're sensitive to garlic, you don't have to put that in. I don't mind it, and I like it, so I like to have it in there. But if you're sensitive to that, you might not want it. All right, now that we've done that, are we done? No, because we can still make it better. Lime juice, give it a little fresh pop. Also, some salt and pepper. Salt will help get the juices flowing from the tomatoes and everything, get you some moisture in there. If you want to call that done, you can call that done too. But I'm going to add some cilantro because I like it. I don't know why people say it tastes like soap. I don't particularly notice any kind of soap smell to it, but that's what they say. But I like it. I think it tastes limey myself. You can rough chop it however you like. Fine, coarse, it doesn't matter. It's all gonna eat the same. Okay. All right, how's that looking? Getting to be salsa-y, Pico De Gallo-y. I got one more trick. Pineapples. I'm going to put juice in there. This will add a nice sweet kick. And we're also going to put some actual pineapples in there. If you don't like pineapples, you don't have to do this. Or on another day, if you want to use peaches or something else, you can do that too. It really doesn't matter, whatever you want. But I like a few chunks of pineapple. If you do it right, you should have some heat, a little burn from the peppers, and it should finish with a sweet aftertaste. But either way, I've taken this to work before. People love it. That's probably not traditional, quote unquote, but it's good. There you have it. My pineapple Pico De Gallo. Now, if you don't like something this thick and chunky from this step, sometimes I will take half out, put it in the magic bullet or a food processor or a blender, and throw it back in. That'll make it more soupy. Or if you don't want any chunks at all, you could blend the whole darn thing and make it into just a smooth salsa. But there you have it. That's it. It took not very long, and you have some nice fresh veg. That's it. I'll see you next time.